Modi-led government's drive to remake India as a Hindu nationalist state. Extrajudicial killings reportedly took place during the December 2019 protests against the Citizen Amendment Act 2019, the targeting of independent media, increasing collapse of law and order, impunity laws, vengeful circulation of nationalist propaganda, hate speech, political, gendered and sexualized violence are aggressively persistent. The repression of caste-oppressed groups, foremost of Adivasis and Dalits, and the minoritization of non-Hindu communities is rampant in India. Residents of Gaukadal area of Srinagar staged a protest against the anti-people policies of the authorities. The protesters, mostly women, blocked the Gaukadal bridge to protest against the installation of smart meters by the authorities. Many demonstrators said that their electricity supply was cut off after they resisted the move. High Court of Occupied Kashmir has quashed the illegal detention of 3 persons booked under the draconian law, the Public Safety Act, according to Kashmir Media Service. The bench quashed the detention under PSA against Bilal Ahmed Hastiwala, Yawar Rashid Ganai, and Bilal Ahmed, but the court directed the authorities to release them forthwith. A soldier of the Indian Border Security Force has gone missing in the Poonch district. The BSF man Amit Paswan, deployed at a forward point Balakot area of the district, went missing from his duty on Friday. All parties Hurriyat Conference Azad Jammu and Kashmir chapter has paid rich tributes to the noted Kashmiri Hurriyat activist Mohammad Riaz. APHC AJK convener Mahmood Ahmad Sagar, in a statement issued in Islamabad, said that the family of Mohammad Riaz has made a lot of sacrifices for the freedom movement. He said that Mohammad Riaz's father and brother were also martyred by the Indian troops in occupied Kashmir. Renowned Indian author and activist Arundhati Roy has deplored that the leaders of G20 nations attending the 18th summit of the grouping, like the US President Joe Biden and French President Emmanuel Macron, know what's going on in India, but they won't talk about it due to the interest of their countries. Arundhati Roy, in an interview with Al Jazeera, said that these Western leaders who speak about democracy know exactly what's going on in India. India is witnessing a rising tide of the Hindu fascism since Narendra Modi became the Prime Minister of the country in 2014. According to Kashmir Media Service, Indian minorities and the Muslims in India and occupied Kashmir are bearing the brunt of this surging Hindu fascism. The hate crimes against Muslims and other minorities have soared across India in the last 9 years. Prime Minister of Azad Jammu and Kashmir Chaudhry Anwarul Haq has said that Pakistan has always extended its political, moral and diplomatic support to the Kashmiri people in their just struggle for securing their right to self-determination. The AJK Prime Minister, talking to media men in Islamabad, said that the ultimate goal of the Kashmiri struggle is to join Pakistan.